Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to cancel Google Gemini subscription. So there are two main ways to unsubscribe from Google Gemini, depending on how you're subscribed. If you are an individual user and you have subscribed to Gemini Advanced as an individual, not through your organization, you can cancel it through Google One settings. Here's how you can do that. You'll have to open a new tab, go to the search bar and type in Google One, then hit enter. Now click on the Google One storage link. On this page, you will have to sign in to your account and tap on the menu icon, that is the three-lined icon at the top left corner after signing in and clicking on settings. After you choose settings on this page, this will open your Google One settings and you will see the cancel membership option there. So I don't have an active subscription. That's why you cannot see it on my screen. But you will have to just navigate to this page, tap on the menu icon, that is the three line in the top left corner, click on settings, choose manage subscription and this will open up your Google One settings. Tap on cancel membership option. Confirm the cancellation by tapping the cancel button again. If you are using Gemini through your organization's Google Workspace, the admin will need to cancel the subscription for you. And here's what you need to do. Sign into the Google admin console with account having super administrator privileges, one that doesn't end in a gmail.com. Go to menu, then navigate to billing, then navigate to subscriptions. Click on Gemini for Google Workspace link and select cancel subscription. Choose a reason for cancelling and click continue. Review the cancellation details and if they agree, check the confirmation box. Enter their administrator email address and click cancel my subscription. And you'll have to remember that cancelling a subscription might stop you from accessing features associated with that plan. Make sure to back up any data you need before proceeding. So that's how you can cancel Google Gemini subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.